For the best direct payday loan lenders, paying your debt down each month is the best way to handle debt that cannot be paid in full. Not only will each buy down cut down on the fees for the next pay period, it shows good intentions. Payday lenders service high-risk loans every day, and most borrowers cannot afford the full payoff without obtaining a new loan. The best customers are the ones who at least make an effort to lower the debt instead of repeatedly rolling over the balance. It proves to be a more cost-effective way to handle debt. The lower the balance, the less interest will accrue. One of the best things about debt is that the majority of lenders or creditors will have no problems if you want to pay off your debt early or make payments more often. Direct payday lenders online appreciate a customer who calls up to pay down their loan before the actual due date. Credit card companies will not make any fuss about it either, as long as you have paid the full minimum balance by the due date. These small payments are called micropayments, paying small amounts more often to decrease the average daily balance. This is very similar to buying down your short-term loan. When there is less daily balance, there is less interest charged to your account. The less interest charged turns into smaller minimum payments and more money to pay towards principal. Even if you take your regular monthly payment and split it up into micropayments, you will save. You may even end up paying a bit extra, as small payments are much easier to make than larger bulky ones. The more money you can save from interest payments, the more you will have to work out your finances. Many financial advisors will advise their clients to focus on high-interest debt first. High-interest debt often focuses on short-term cash loans as well as any creditors that are charging you penalty interest rates. These rates are often even higher than your average direct payday lender. Late or missed payments to any creditor or lender that reports to the credit bureaus will open up the possibility for penalty rates to be attached to your current debt. If you find that you cannot manage to keep up with micropayments, then just make sure your full minimum payment, if not more, is delivered on time. Even if you can only spare an extra $5 or $10 each month to lower the principal debt, don't get discouraged. Anything you can do will make a difference in the end. That's right, always keep the end picture vivid in your mind. If you can't do that every month, it will eventually make a difference in how much interest is paid over time. If you can't do the same for your savings account, the balance will at least be creeping up to an amount which will someday prevent you from ending to borrow a direct payday online loan or fall back to creditors you worked so hard to pay off.